guys, Mr. Zern here. Welcome back. Let's take a look at this sample program I have here that we're working on. So it starts off with the question, what do you want for Christmas? Doesn't have to be Christmas, it could be anything, birthday, Hanukkah, or just, what do you want at the store? Anything's fine. So let's answer that question. What do you want for Christmas? I'm boring. I'll say socks. Anything else you want for Christmas? So I'm going to say nope. All right, simple question. Anything else you want for Christmas, yes or no? All right, yep. Simple question. All right, so I'm trapped. It's preventing me from entering an invalid answer. So it wants a yes or a no. So what if we tried this? Capital Y, lowercase e, capital S. It takes it. All right, so we got some dot lower notation going on there, so it fixes my answer. What else do you want? How about some shoes? Do you want to add more items to your Christmas list? Why not? What do you want? How about a jacket? All right, do you want to add more items? Yes. What do you want? How about a tie? Do you want to add more items to your list? Absolutely. What do you want to add? How about some candy? All right, do you want to add more items? Yes. All right, now it's here at this point it says, that's a lot of stuff. I'm not sure if Santa has room for 5 presents. So you don't need to add that. I've just got a little incremental counter in there that's keeping track of every single time I basically say yes, or technically every time I add an item to the list. So I'm at 5 at this point, and just, kind of toss it in there for fun. What else do you want? Oh, I don't know. We probably need, how about a boat? Boat would be great. All right. Do you want to add more items? Nah, I think we're good there. I'm going to say no. And so it says, that's a lot of stuff. I'm not sure if Santa has room for 6 presents for you. It's giving me a head count or a list, technically the length of the list, which has 6 items. And then I want you to print all the items concatenated with a statement. So for Christmas, you want socks. For Christmas, you want shoes. For Christmas, you want jacket. For Christmas, you want tie. For Christmas, you want candy. For Christmas, you want boat. All right. So there we go. There's a little example of the program working and all the things that I'm looking for. All right, guys, I will talk to you later.